The Toyota Tacoma is the best-selling midsize truck in America. Will the all-new 2024 model keep that streak alive? We have a first look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, and then select Toyota. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The all-new 2024 Toyota Tacoma will be available later this year with updated trims, engines, technology, and looks. Pricing has yet to be announced, but if you're in the market for a mid-size truck, there's a very good chance that Toyota has you covered. The new Tacoma will be available with two different engine options and multiple power outputs. The base SR trim comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder, producing 228 horsepower. Higher trims increase that same unit to 278 horses. But the big news is the availability of a hybrid powertrain, which replaces the old V6. This new hybrid takes the Turbo 4 engine and combines it with an electric motor in line with the transmission. This produces a peak output of 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. There will be several trims available, including a new limited trim, which brings full-time four-wheel drive to the Tacoma. The Limited also gets a chromed-out grille, as well as other upscale touches. The Sport trim will be available in two-wheel drive or part-time four-wheel drive. This one comes with an aggressive-looking hood scoop and color-matched interior. A manual transmission will be an option on the Sport when equipped with the base motor. Of course, the TRD Pro trim is back, with a long list of exclusive and new features. Available only with the hybrid powertrain and part-time four-wheel drive, the TRD Pro features a wider stance, Fox QS3 adjustable suspension, recovery points, and the incredible isodynamic performance seats. These provide built-in shock absorption for high-speed runs over rough terrain. Both the TRD Pro and off-road models get Toyota's advanced crawl control and multi-terrain select management systems to help tackle any surface. It even has a soft drop tailgate. The new king of the lineup is the Tacoma Trail Hunter. This is an overland-ready edition, and it's available with either a crew cab and a 5-foot bed or a double cab and a 6-foot bed. It also comes with full ARB rack and bumper, a 20-inch bar light, rigid fog lamps, exterior bed lights, a standard 2,400-watt AC inverter, air snorkel, and an available air compressor built into the bed. Suspension is the ARB Old Man Emu package with 2.5-inch monotube shocks and remote reservoirs. Both the TRD Pro and Trail Hunter trims will come standard with 33-inch Goodyear Territory RT tires, which add an extra 2 inches of lift to the front and 1.5 inches to the back. With this new Tacoma, it looks like Toyota has seriously considered customer feedback over the decades to produce an amazing new truck. Whether you want something basic or you want to conquer the world, there's definitely a Tacoma that will fit every buyer. Pricing and economy figures are not yet available. Non-hybrid models are scheduled to go on sale later this year, with hybrids available in 2024. To find out more, call or visit your local AutoNation Toyota dealer. Get started at AutoNationDrive.com. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Toyota dealer today.